How are you, the students of second year? I think you are well, staying in the path of education, and I also hope you are enjoying education through purifying yourself, and through purification your physical, mental and spiritual power is increasing, and through feeling of this increased power, the tendency of staying in the path of education, tending for receiving education is increasing. This is my target to you, this is my urge to you, and I think in the meantime many of you are able to fulfill my urge, my demand, etc. And because actually students, what we learn, if we fail to apply in my own life, this type of education is not enjoyable. This type of education is not fruitful. If I am able to apply my learning in my own life, then my life will be complete, our life will be fruitful, then education will be alive. Understand? Education তখন তোমাদের কাছে জীবন্ত বলে মনে হবে. This kind of living education is essential for us. And you know, where is the fault stay? The fault stays in different place. But the one of the fault is we, the teachers, staff also, because we are not living teacher. I am giving you a lot of advices, but if I don't apply these advices in my own life, I am not a living teacher. I am a dead teacher. So, if our teachers, that means if we, the teacher staffs, is not be living, then the teaching will not be living. So, here is also fault. So, in spite of this fault, I think you will be able to overtake this fault, and if you try to apply all types of learning in your own life, then you will be a living student, you will be a living learner. You have a unit. The present unit is 15. Unit 15. Here there is a topic written by Rabindranath Tagore. Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Here he successfully shows us that where is the fault of our education. The fault, he shows that the fault is we have a large amount of institutions, and the institutions has borrowed the necessary things from the foreign, Europe, etc. But the only one lacking is that we don't have real teacher, we don't have living teacher in the institutions. He wants to show us that. So this is the problem. If we are living teachers, you cannot but be living students. This is the main point, students. And if your guardian and your parents, etc., also be living person, you can't be a living student, can't be a living learner. So try to be a living students, to change our country, to change our environment to change the attitude, the fault, weak or ill attitude of learning. This is our urge. This is our urge to you. This is our requirement to you. The students, last class I taught you about pronoun reference, and today is the last class of pronoun reference. I told you in this class I will show you the more example, or I will discuss it in details. So students, I think you can recall what is pronoun. Pronoun is a naming word, is a word that puts replacing a noun, and in your class, in your exam question, you will find two types of pronoun. One types are error pronoun, and you should correct that error pronoun, and some pronouns will be unclear. You should clear that pronoun. This is the difference. And if you have a good idea about pronoun, I think you will easily identify what one or what pronouns are error or wrong and what are unclear. But before this, you should have reading skill. Without reading skills, you will fail to identify all of these things I told you before. Suppose I have written down a paragraph, and your question paper, this formation will come. Then from the beginning, you should realize what is the theme of the passage, what the passage wants to show, and understanding this, then you should give answer of the question. Women are nowadays as important as men. So the passage is about comparison between men and women, and through this comparison we have learned that women are nowadays as important, understand, as men. That means women are same important with men. Where? In society, women are nowadays as important as men in society. Here, woman is plural form. Man is also plural form. Where? In society. She constitutes nearly half of the total population. That means constitute means formation. They form half of the total population. Students, they form half of the total population. But here the sense she form. Is it correct or wrong? You should identify this. The beginning word is plural, women were. Now here she constitute. So here she is a wrong pronoun, error pronoun. So in this case you should put the correct pronoun. So here what will be the correct pronoun? The correct pronoun is they. The correct pronoun is they. They constitute nearly half of our total population. Now, second stage, no nation can make real progress. No nation can make real progress keeping half of it in the darkness. Here, Eat is a pronoun. Through it, what pronoun may be put, you should realize by reading again and again. I am reading again. No nation can make real progress keeping half of it. So, the passage is about men and women. So, there is a clear sense, not half of it means half of, it's also a pronoun, half of them. So here think that we have put here they is a subjective case, but here we have put them. Why? I think you should know, because in my previous class I showed you the classifications of pronoun and the position of the pronoun, where subjective case is used and where possessive case is used and where objective case is used. Here of is a preposition. So after preposition, objective form puts. You should always remember, after preposition, objective form always puts. Sure. So here then is a objective form of pronoun, not subjective form. So here the answer will be then. Inner darkness. Without the upliftment of women, without the upliftment of women, it is not all possible. Here also is. Through it, what can be identified? Through it, what can be guessed? This is the point. If you have reading power, then reading skill, then you can easily identify. Without the upliftment of women, it is not at all possible. What is not at all possible? In the previous sentence, there is a sense. What is not possible? The real progress. No nation can make real progress. What is not possible? The real progress is not at all possible. Through it, real progress has been showed. So here, it is not incorrect pronoun. It is also a clear pronoun, but not error pronoun or wrong pronoun. It has put here as a correct pronoun, but unclear pronoun. So you should clear this pronoun using real progress. So in the answer script, you should write down here real progress or only progress. Students, this is the answer. Upliftment of women, real progress is not at all possible. So, through this discussion, you have learned two things. One is you will get some wrong pronoun. Your duty is to correct the pronoun. And some cases you will find some unclear pronoun. Your duty is to clear the pronoun putting the noun. You should remember the point. How you will clear the pronoun? By putting the real noun of that pronoun. Here, the real noun of it is real progress. So we have put here real progress is not at all possible. Again, without education, women can be uplifted. Without education, women cannot be uplifted means women cannot be reach a good position. Uplifted means reaching a good position. This is called uplifted. So, proper education should be given to her. Here, can you guess? This her is real, is right or wrong? I think many of you can guess that here her is not a correct pronoun. Here her is a incorrect pronoun and the correct pronoun is them. Here also put them, that means objective form, because the answer I have already given. To is a pronoun. So after pronoun always objective form puts. So the correct form is them. So that they can work in hand with them. Here, them is correct or wrong. If I ask you, them is correct or wrong? And I think many of you have already learned them is a correct form. It's not wrong form or error form, but then is a unclear form. So you should clear this pronoun, putting the actual noun. Can you guess what is the noun of this pronoun? The noun of this pronoun stays in the first line. Here, name. This is realization. So I am saying you, if you don't have reading skill, then pronoun reference, especially pronoun reference and non-especially all grammatical item will be more boring and boresome to you. So think that them stays here, but through these them, a noun it is indicated. A noun stays in the first line. So without realization, without reading skills and without realization, I think none can able to put the real noun here. But who has reading skills and who has realization, through reading skills, who has realization, they can easily identify. Through them, here men can be put, or through them, man is identified. Man is identified. So, the real answer will be men. In this way, if you want to expert in this item and another item, in my last stage of this class, I am advising you to read the passage again and again in this type and try to make a clear sense in your mind, and through clear sense every grammatical item will be very easy to you, especially pronoun reference. So practice more and more, and my lectures, all the lectures are pronoun reference. If you listen again and again and practice your grammatical, your textbook or any books, then your performance will be increased and your learning will be complete, because through realization your ability will be increased, and through increased ability your goal, that means your learning English, will be fruitful. Okay, thanks very much.